All right guys, Jason here, doing a lithium battery conversion for a 2023 club car Tempo. I recently took out the lead acid batteries and put in an Joybot battery here, and the BMS system was not working correctly, so didn't give me a good feeling. And I am sending that back and switching over to the Bedrock 105 amp hour 48 volt. They had this nice and secured in there with this plastic here. Got a couple of handles there that I can use to lift it out. All right guys, so that only took a few minutes here. We've got everything laid out so that you can check it out here. We've got the template for the battery when we're going to be mounting that into the cart. We got some tools that they gave us here. This would have been right here, would have been really nice for lifting out my lead acid batteries. It just clips on there so that you don't have to come up with a way to get them out of there. We got the battery monitor there. That's nice and packed up, safe and secure. And then we got the battery charger right here, which is also packed up nice for us here. So everything's really organized. Hopefully the install continues to go well. I am going to now remove the other battery out of the cart here, which is just simply taking this off. I've got the 12 volt converter on here right here. Take that off, and then we'll be ready to work on the other battery here. All right, so next step, I went ahead and took that out, and now I have put in the Bedrock battery. As you can see here, I put it on my side because I only weigh about 165 pounds, and I'll probably have my heavier passengers on the other side that just didn't fit in the middle. So that's what we're doing. One other thing I forgot to mention, make sure before you do anything with the batteries that right down here, you put this in tow mode so that you're not pulling any current or anything. All right, so other than the fact that I keep hitting the end button versus the pause button, having to start another video, this is becoming a very simple project here. We've got the positive on, the negative on, did that all, and we are ready to put in the battery charger and then the battery monitoring system into the dashboard. So now we're on to putting the charger port in here. I kind of got it started here before I started videoing because I couldn't figure it out at first. But anyway, you got a couple T30s, I think these are right here on each side. And then when you get that done, you're going to have one here and then one over here. And then you're going to be able to pull this up, and that'll allow that to slide loose. You're going to have one here, and one here, and you have to take this off so that you can take those 3 screws out, and then we'll go ahead and put the other one in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then we'll resume with the charging monitor, or the battery monitor. All right, so there we got it. We got the charging port in. One thing I forgot is like right here, and then right over here, and then right here underneath that mat are gonna be 3 T40 screws that are going to need to come out in order for this part right here to come out, and that has to come out in order to get these 3 screws out of the charging port for the old one. So make sure you do that. That turned into a big hassle for me. It took me about an extra 20 minutes to figure that out. All right, we're all finished here. 2023 Club Car Tempo. We've got the Bedrock 105 amp hour battery in here installed. Got the charger going as we speak. We got the little meter right up there. And we are good to go. That's a wrap.